Yeah, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. See around the big tall pine trees, the big tall pine trees, and the steep road. I need to go down first and then go up. The feeling is different. The breeze is there. Cold breeze, cold breeze. Just look around everything in this world, in this beautiful world, planet Earth of ours is just see the meandering roads, and then far off, big pine trees. Pine trees, ladies and gentlemen, this reminisces with my beautiful place in Kashmir. So, but now I'm not in Kashmir. I am in Shimla. And then have this great feeling. These are the long and tall pine trees. And then just see how steep is the road. I have to go up again afterwards on this beautiful road. It appears tang hish basan ye sarak. Tang sarak. But then no problem. Every place, everything in this Mother Earth, on this Mother Earth is important and fantastic, and we need to just enjoy, appreciate, and then we watch each and every corner, and each and every beauty, each and every secret behind all these places, all these plants and the habitat, be it any habitat in this matter. No, not necessarily, ladies and gentlemen, not necessarily the human habitat. Just watch in solitude, not in silence. Solitude, the beauty of the morning on this very beautiful day of आज कुछ तारीख 17th December 2024. Just see far off, ladies and gentlemen, the morning sun. And these colonies just soaking in the morning sun. And then these beautiful long pine trees, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, beautiful pine trees. I don't know whether you're able to just catch and get the glimpse of the dense forest just far off, and then at the same time this beautiful road, small, narrow, but then neat and clean. And the air here, just see the meandering roads there. It is a different feel, it's a different view altogether. The deep forests out there, maza aa gaya. And then here this is what is India. Every place on this mother earth has its own importance, and we need to just enjoy, be out and walk and enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Just enjoy each and every dimension, each and every aspect of this Mother Earth and the habitat living there, with all safety, with all responsibility, and with all duty to our family, our society, our community, our Mother Earth, and then of course the people around us, and also any habitat living around us. Live a responsible and a dutiful and a disciplined citizen. That is the message of the 17th December 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, no car here, no truck here, no pollution here, no dust here, and no vehicles here. So just walking along this beautiful road on this beautiful morning with a message: love the life and respect the nature. Love the life and respect the nature. God bless. Thank you very much. God bless everybody watching this video and everybody else not watching this video. Kalib jai ho, jai. Kuta jaan to kuta beautiful chiye lagan yapar yes jai. Thank you. Maybe someday we'll be in our homeland. Kashmir's maz aso kundo. Tat gatho ithe par Shankarachar. Ya tat gatho zithier, tat gatho bakir. Jain tat karo enjoy. Panis homeland as mazan, pani gari. Yath manzan as knushat namthas manzan sene kadit. Doesn't matter, God is great. Let good sense bestow on all the people who have been our with a different mindset and with a different approach. Let good sense come back to them. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. God bless. Jai ho, jai ho.